Before we start today's video, we're going to do a two-part unboxing and close-up of Grams 28 and their awesome leather goods. And like I said, we're going to do this in two parts so we can get a good look here at what's inside this box. And first up, we've got this awesome packaging. I mean, hello, look at this presentation. This is so nice, and I haven't even seen what's inside here yet. But speaking of that, what we do have in here is a leather phone case. This is really nice. It feels like high-quality leather. It doesn't feel like plastic or something like that. And this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm going to toss it on here real quick so you can get a full look. It fits perfectly. As you can see, everything is as it should be. It's all functional, and I love that we have the full protection of the leather with a reinforced shell, so everything is there to protect the phone, and it just looks fantastic too. This is sleek, minimalistic. I love everything about this. Now, we do have one more thing in our box here, but we will have to wait for another day to check that out. In the meantime, you can go check out Grams 28. They have a ton of awesome stuff to look at, especially for the holiday season. You can find them in the description right now. Go check them out. Now, though, on to today's episode. Coming across my desk today is a new timepiece from Paul Rich. These guys have become a brand of interest for you guys who follow the channel here. You seem to enjoy looking at them. I definitely enjoy looking at them. I really like the style they infuse into their timepieces, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of their new releases. Introducing the Paul Rich Astro, and according to the brand, this is a tonneau-shaped frosted timepiece that seamlessly blends style and innovation. They also say it features a distinctive frosted finish on the casing that was meticulously applied to ensure a seamless texture all the way across. The big feature too, besides the face of the watch, is the 3D astronaut engraving on the back. This is meant to be a direct tribute to humanity's unyielding spirit of exploration, and to remind us that through determination and resilience we can overcome any hardship. Moving back now to the front of the watch, at the heart of everything we have a staple of the Paul Rich line, a Swiss Ronda movement. Connected to that too, we have an aventurine dial, which is crafted from real minerals. On top of all that, we've got sapphire coated mineral crystal glass surrounded by a stainless steel case that is 42.5 millimeters in size. Moving to the strap now, we have a premium silicone material that's been enhanced with anti-static coating and has a width of 20 millimeters. Additional features to mention include an ergonomic case, luminous dials, and 5 ATM water resistance. Price-wise for this timepiece, we're looking at $399 as of the moment I'm making this video. And in regards to that price, I say it's $399 right now because I'm not sure if that will change after the Black Friday holiday or what sales will go on or stop. So if you're interested in checking this out, I would run on over and check it out because that's the price that it is right now. As far as wearing this thing goes, actually putting it on the arm, it's a bit different for me as this isn't the metal band that I'm used to. The ones that we've seen in the past have, I think, all been metal bands. This one is a silicone band, so it's a little bit different, but it's very smooth, very comfortable. And I gotta tell you, I really like the deployment clasp that they used on here. It's much better, in my opinion, than just the standard, clasp with the buckle. I mean, it's secure on the wrist. It's very comfortable. I thought it was a great choice for the design of the strap. I always like to say in these watch reviews that I'm no watch expert. I don't know crap from Crisco when it comes to what makes a great watch a great watch. I mean, I've learned a few things along the way, but I really couldn't tell you really what's what in the world of watches. But I can tell when I like something and it feels good. It feels like it's good quality, and it just looks good. I mean, I really don't think you need a lot of knowledge to know when you like something and you know when you think it looks good, or when it doesn't look good and it feels cheap and has, kind of a lazy design. That all being said, I'm really just a fan of this brand. I really just enjoy the watches they make. At the heart of it, that's really why I look forward to making these videos. I just really enjoy the designs of the watches that they seem to be putting out right now. Their frosted watches were some that I know you guys too really liked as well. I just think that their entire aesthetic is great, and overall I'm really happy with what I've seen here. I love the design. I love the colors. And speaking of colors, I forgot to mention this. They offer several different Astro designs and colors. And looking at those options here, I actually love the model of the one that they have here with the day and the date added in there. Let me know in the comments actually if you'd like to see a future episode where we take a look at that one up close, and maybe that can happen. But take a look at the other offerings on the shop here, not only with the Astro, but the other timepiece models as well. These are awesome ideas for Christmas gifts. We are right here in the gift giving time, and I know you guys need some ideas. I always need some good ideas every year, it seems like. And these right here, these watches are awesome ideas for Christmas gifts, but not just Christmas gifts too. Keep these in mind for birthday gifts, retirement gifts, Father's Day, just because type gifts. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this. Don't forget to treat yourself too. I mean, really, sometimes you just got to get yourself a gift. Sometimes you got to get yourself something nice. I mean, you're awesome. You definitely deserve it. If you would like to treat yourself or just generally check out this timepiece from Paul Rich, I will leave a link to the site and this watch specifically down below. Thank you so much for checking this out with me today. That's all I got for this one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Do all that awesome stuff. That is very much appreciated. Thank you once again. Have an awesome week. I will be back with you again real soon. I've got a million videos lined up to come out. It's been absolutely insane. So I will see you again very, very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.